An old Cherokee chief sat down to teach his grandson about life. "There's a fight going on inside me," he tells the young boy, "a fight between two wolves. One wolf is evil. It's full of malice, anger, greed, self-pity and false pride. The other is good. It's full of peace, love, joy, kindness, and humility. This same fight is going on inside you, and everyone else on the face of the earth." The grandson was quiet, pondering this revelation for a moment before asking, "Grandfather, which wolf will win in the fight?" The old man smiled and replied, "The one you feed will win." Moral of this story is, good and evil exist within each of us. It's our responsibility to own that reality, and do whatever we can to nurture the good. Remember, it is always our choice which one we feed. Thank you.